Tri-State Bobcat, Hudson, Wisconsin. This is a 2010 Bobcat S185 skid steer loader. 61 horsepower, just over 2,200 hours. We're powered up with a 61 horse Kubota diesel. Got the big vertical lift boom, nice condition, excellent 10/16/5 heavy duty tires. Power Bobcat. A nice bonus on the machine is the high flow hydraulics. This one we're looking at 26.4 gallons per minute. It is equipped with the 7-pin. We touched up the paint on the front of the booms here. I had a few scrapes on it. Overall, paint is in real nice condition. Overall, the machine is as well. A few scrapes on the rear door, but as far as dents, we're in good shape. Machine will be fully serviced before it goes out. Again, a 61 horse Kubota turbocharged 4-cylinder water-cooled diesel. Great accessibility on the machine. You've got hydraulic, you've got oil, you've got fuel, your starter, alternator, air filter, your belt, your battery. You appreciate doing maintenance on this machine. Easy to get in the back here. We got a radiator. Easy to blow out. Again, tires are excellent on the machine. It will go out with a full service. Power Bobcat, no reason to leave the cab. On the inside, there's a shot of our hours, 22:45. Cab with heat. We've got the wiper. Great visibility in this machine. Inner and outer air filters, you're going to breathe clean air. Easy to back on a trailer. Boom is all the way down. You can see all 4 tires. Easy to activate our hydraulics. There's our high flow mode. Power Bobcat, our lock, and we got a key switch in this machine. Nice door on the machine as well. We will outfit this with a bucket. It'll come with a 68 Tri-State Bobcat, Hudson, Wisconsin. Give Jeff a call on this 2010 Bobcat S185 skid steer loader. Nice shape, local trade-in, high flow hydraulics, great rubber, and a full service. Just over 2,200 hours. Tri-State Bobcat, Hudson, Wisconsin. Give Jeff a call, 715-781-3940. Exit 4, Hudson, Wisconsin, just north of the Freeway 94. Tri-State Bobcat, Hudson, Wisconsin. Give Jeff a call, 715-781-3940. Thank you.